Severe flooding hits Jeddah, Saudi Arabia due to heavy rainfall. A few minutes ago, severe flooding struck Jeddah Governorate in Saudi Arabia. Roads in the governorate are marked in red on Google Maps, with many streets experiencing waterlogging leading to disruptions in traffic flow on several main thoroughfares. The governorate experienced sporadic rain, with the heaviest downpours hitting the southern part of the city, resulting in water accumulation that damaged several vehicles and impacted traffic movement, especially on King Fahd Road, Palestine Street, parts of Prince Majid Road, parts of Al Haramain Road, King Abdulaziz Road, and Andalusia. Jeddah Governorate received varying precipitation levels today, Monday, heavy in the south and east, and light to moderate in other areas. The Jeddah City Government is urging caution, advising people to stay away from locations where water pools and avoid sources of electricity, considering the area is affected by thunderstorms, strong winds, and high waves.